Good God Almighty. Somebody help me sing this song today. How many know no matter what you go through, you just know that God will make a way. God will heal. God will deliver. God will pick up again. God will make a path in a place where there's no path. Come on. Many of us gone through so many things in our life. Seem like all the things that we see is enough to hold us down. And many of us still wear our frown. Wait a minute. But we know, all of us know, that God cannot fail us. No. He's on time. God's on time. Everything He said, He'll bring to existence in our life. Whoa. Good God Almighty. Somebody needs to be encouraged today. But I know He will make a way. I know He will, yeah. God will. I know He will. He'll make a way. Wait a minute. I'm reminded of David in the scriptures. David said, Lord, I'm going through so many things in my life. I'm in distress. The enemy is around me. It don't feel so good. I need the victory, not only in word, but to see. Good God Almighty. I know You will, hey, Lord. Come right on in on time. Come right on in on time. Oh, some of us sing, we want to throw in the towel. But wait a minute, my brother. Wait a minute, my sister. God is not through with you yet. The devil seemed like he got the better hand today. But don't you give up, for God is the one that made the day, and He'll make a way for you and me. Oh Lord, I know He will. I know God will. Hey, oh, hold on. Don't you give up. Don't you give up. You might cry, you might weep, but weeping may endure for a night. Joy, come in the morning light. Oh, I know God will make a way. I know way. Well, I can go down the road on that. Sing that right there. Good God Almighty. Good God Almighty. Somebody get ready to get a victory. Somebody get ready to hold on just a little while longer. Somebody get ready to give God some praise because they know now that they've been reminded. I'm reminded that God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we can actually think. Good God Almighty, there's nothing too hard for God. God can do all things but fail. So, in this and that, in thinking, whether it be spiritual, whether it be financial, whether it be physical, whether it be mental, you can understand this, that God will show up on time. I know God will, yeah. I know God will. I know God will. I know He will. I know He will. are sick today, and some are already feeling all kinds of ways. My brother, my sister, don't you give up, oh no. God is right there, He's right there in the midst of your troubles. I know God will show up for you. He said in His word that we yeah. God will show up on time. He's on time, yeah.